Today, I'm going to show you how to make a tassel using the Loom Pom-Pom and Tassel Maker. First, you'll want to get everything that you need ready, which is some worsted weight yarn, 2 additional 18-inch pieces of worsted weight yarn, the Loom Pom-Pom and Tassel Maker, some really sharp scissors, and a tapestry needle. First, you'll want to take your worsted weight yarn, and we're just going to wrap this around the pom-pom maker. So we'll actually move this to that side. And depending on how thick you want your tassel, you can either do about 45 wraps or go all the way up to 70 if you want something nice and thick. And just a note, if you're using bulky weight yarn, you'll want to wrap less. If you're using a fingering weight or lighter weight yarn, you'll want to wrap more times. Great. So once you've wrapped it about 45 times, you'll use your scissors to cut the yarn. And then we can place your main yarn to the side. Using your tapestry needle threaded onto one of your scrap pieces of yarn, you're going to thread that underneath and then around and up. And you'll want to pull that nice and tight right up to the top of the loom. Next, we'll cut the tapestry needle yarn off, and we're just going to tie a double knot. And doing this will actually help to keep the tassel together once you cut the bottom. Then we'll want to take our second piece of yarn and you're going to bring it right up to the bottom edge of the top portion of the loom, and again, we'll just double knot it. And you'll want to pull that nice and tight. And if it doesn't go tight enough on the first round, you can actually flip this right over and tie it tighter on the other side. And you can go ahead and snip that extra yarn. And then we're just going to slide this right off of the loom. Then, taking your scissors, you're going to cut along the bottom, sort of how you would if you were making a pom-pom. Then you can just go ahead and trim the bottom until it's nice and even. I like to place a towel underneath because I find it helps to contain the mess a bit. And there you have it, your very own tassel using the Loom Pom-Pom Maker.